Okay, let's talk about what's going on in Anambra State. Professor Chukwumasolu, the governor of Anambra State, decided to wage war against native doctors because of the insecurity and charms, quest for money, Okite, that is trending in Anambra State, just like every other part in the eastern part. And he decided to wage war against them by forming a group called Agone Chemba. Although people see it as a hypocrite because they felt that it's hypocritical to see the his armed guys, armed group called the Agone Chamber, using some terms as you can see on this picture, this video now. You can see this man that what is wearing on his neck. That you can see this circle with this green circle here, pointing at the bead that this man is wearing. Some people say that it's one of the beads from native doctors. How can you be wearing beads from native doctors and you are chasing native doctors away? But the governor is somehow adamant to that. He don't want to argue with anybody. As a governor, what you want, what you do. In it's a country like Nigeria, you cannot just challenge governor. That's just by the way. So some people say that how can you ignore the insecurity going on, the poverty and the poor standard of living, the bad road, everything that's going on, and focus on native doctors that is not is immaterial. And the governors, in the other hand, have made an utterances, some utterances that got people talking because he made it clear in one of his speeches that Anambra is a Christian state, which some traditional rulers and not traditional rulers, some native doctors see that they perceive that as an insult to them. That how can you say that because Nigeria is a secular state, this secular state of a thing sometimes is not true because even as that the leaders of Nigerian president and vice are Muslim. Does that can you have such thing in the secular state ruling? Anyway, that's a story for another day because this video is not about federal government, it's about states like Anambra State and people that live there. So you can see here, people are reacting, but we're not gonna go through the comments. Okay, I don't have time to go through the comments because comment is quite busy. Now, this same ant group of Soludo, Agunechemba, whatever they call themselves, are very, very funny because they are not collecting Luja, like collecting, Chandi. Omaka Lagos, not Chandi. Collecting some money from motorists. So they're collecting some money from motorists and they're escorting money from them just like other government forces have been doing, like in Navy and road safety, police, of course, Sudan Army are doing the same thing. A lot of people are making money on the streets. And you can see this one, that's what they're seeing now. They're collecting some money from motorists, and people are saying, what kind of governor security is this? What is the intention? How can they be collecting money from people? And there's some videos making way on social media where these people, visit, they go to shop to shop to escort money from business and shop owners and all that. Some people say that once they come to your shop and you maybe you do not the person is not around, or maybe the person refuses to give them what they want, they'll start packing the goods in that shop. And once they bring it to their base, you have to pay them 100,000 or 100 and something thousand, and for you to bring it back. Otherwise, they're gonna share it among themselves. I don't know how true is that, but this video that you are watching now have proven that they are escorting money from masses, and it's not a good thing at all. How can governor, feel seeing that his state and his armed group are doing this kind of thing? It's not as if he's not around. He's around, but I don't know why he choose to ignore it. But Biafrans are not happy with it. Nobody should be happy to be honest with you, because you cannot just use this kind of intimidation and harassment on the people and moving from normal tout to official tout. Because why I call them tout is because governor made it clear that he's not going to allow any criminality or illegality in his state. But what we are seeing here is that thing that he said he's not going to allow playing before our eyes. Look at it. He's collecting money. You can see that. So it's not hidden. When he turned his back, you can see that's these people that put special force and all that. That is one of the problem. And Some people actually said that these Agune chamber are from Asaro Dokubo, because if you remember in the Hamufu, when the Fulani attacked Hamufu before, the camera they shared with special force, meaning Asare boys, but some of them are Fulani. I mean, that old video, but it maybe they collaborated in committing that kind of crime. Why is it so easy for our people to, be targeted like this? And what is the effort of governor of South of Eastern region to stop, this kind of suffering? They will tell you no, they are